Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to set up Gemini CLI and use Gemini 2.5 Pro directly inside Visual Studio Code. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is installed on your computer. Next, you need to make sure Node.js and npm are installed. Now install Gemini CLI globally using npm. In your terminal, type this command and press enter. This will download and set up the Gemini CLI so you can use it from anywhere on your system. After the installation is complete, you need to authenticate with your Gemini account. To do that, you will need your Gemini API key. Go to Google AI Studio, log in with your Google account, and on the left side you will see the API keys option. Create a new key if you don't already have one and copy it. Back in your terminal, type Gemini auth login and then paste your key when prompted. Press enter and the CLI will confirm that you are signed in. You can now start using Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is the full process to install, authenticate, and use Gemini 2.5 Pro through the Gemini CLI in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching.